welcome everyone, welcome to another video where today is new tyre day. I say new tyres, I'm not getting a full set, I'm only getting 2 new tyres on the rear because there's quite a bit of tread left in the Pirelli P0s on the front, but that's not the case on the rears. Now I originally thought that I would change all 4 at once, and my plan was to get that changed in August before I head to Europe with the Aston Martin Owners Club to celebrate their 90th anniversary, which I'm really looking forward to. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because you don't want to miss that, especially if you like Aston Martins. So yeah, I booked it in to Aston Workshop, which is in Durham, to change the full set, have the MOT, have the car checked over prior to me taking it across Europe and to end up in Austria. But alas, not the case. The rear tyres have worn out quicker than I expected. So I found a more local tyre workshop, which is where I'm going now to get the tyres changed. So this car came with Pirelli P0s and has the same tyres as it came out of factory with. I know that because of what they call the 4-digit dot code, as it's known, which is located on the sidewall of every tyre. This indicates the week and year of manufacture. The first 2 digits represent the week and the last 2 the year. So you can see from this image of my tyres that have a stamp which indicates the 34th week in 2018, which is around the 20th of August. As you can see from the UK V5 registration document of this Vantage, the first date of registration for this car was the 2nd of March 2019. So the tyres were 7 months old by the time the car was registered, and now approaching summer of 2025 they're coming up to nearly 7 years old. I'm also conscious that since I bought the car in August 2024, I've put over 9,000 miles on the clock, so I've put more miles on the car in 9 months than the first owner did in its first 5 years of life. Which as the second owner is an absolutely brilliant thing, as this car was like a brand new car to me when I bought it. So next, where am I taking my car for new tyres? Well, I'm going to Harworth Tyres, which is located in the British Coal Enterprise Park in Harworth in Doncaster. They've been recommended to me more than once by people I trust, and their many reviews are excellent. Now, ordering the tyres was really straightforward. Harworth Tyres have a great website where you can enter your car details, choose from a selection of tyres that meets your needs, book a slot, and that's it. You then turn up on the day and time that you booked. So let me show you how we got on. One question I've got, you know the, I forget what you call it, is it the tyre pressure valve thing that measures the pressure?
Yeah, I'll show you.
I've never seen that before.
I'll show you, mate. It's, basically it runs off the, like a little computer which is just attached to that. It runs off the radio frequency. So,
I didn't realise they had...
To be fair, mate, they're pretty good.
Yeah.
For what they are.
Because these are the original tyres that were when it was new. Would that need a new battery or something?
No, it'll last about 10 years, about 10.
Ah, right, so it's got a bit of life in it yet.
Yeah, we do change the batteries on them almost every day, because obviously they're getting to that bit now where they're starting to, because it's really started coming into production in about 2014-ish.
Yeah.
So they're all going, battery life, we've got about 10-year battery life on them.
Yeah.
So they're all starting to get changed now, really. They're all starting to lose all that little bit of battery what they've got.
So it looks like mine's got a bit more life in it yet, probably.
I'd say so, mate. I won't worry about it.
That's been really useful. Before now I hadn't given the tyre pressure monitoring system much thought. If your car has TPMS, if the tyres are significantly under or overinflated, possibly creating unsafe driving conditions, this light will appear on your dashboard that looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation point.
That's just like a little computer which runs off a radio frequency, emits it back to the receiver in the car.
Yeah.
And then just kind of keeps telling you what's going on with your wheels.
Right.
Tyres.
Well, it's a good idea to get the TPMS checked when you get your tyres changed, as the battery may need replacing, or they may even get damage from potholes, debris or weather conditions. Did you get many Astons in?
Probably more than one.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Oh, a couple of loud bangs for this, mate.
Sorry?
A couple of loud bangs for this. So you probably know.
Cheers.
How long have you had this to take?
I got it August last year.
Whatever Aston Martin tell us,
Yeah.
what we've got torque wrench. So we're going up to about 100 meters of that,
Yeah.
and then we go around and torque it to exactly what manufacturers say.
So there we have it, some fresh Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's now on the rear of the Vantage, ready for a trip to the Brecon Beacons. Many thanks to Patrick and the team at Harworth Tyres who did a great job looking after my car and wheels. Not a mark on anything. If you live locally, check them out, and no, I'm not on any commission, just telling you how it is. Now a sneak preview as to what's coming up next. A short trip with stunning scenery. Thanks ever so much for watching, see you on the next one.
Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave, allow yourself some grace. You can have it, just like the wind, just let it pass through.